Welcome to the next session on ANSYS Workbench tutorials. In this session, we will analyze the 6-digit NACA airfoil for its static structure analysis. We will start by double-clicking on static structural. We'll first go to engineering data sources. I'll go to general materials. I'll bookmark aluminum alloy. I'll go to project and update project. Next, I'll go to geometry and I'm going to import the geometry of NACA63412 Airfoil. I'll double click on the geometry. You can see here there are 3 parts, 3 bodies. I'll just go to the line body and suppress it. I'll also suppress the surface body. This is the solid that we are going to analyze. This is of 500 mm when we extrude it. If you want, you can change the dimensions here or you can continue with the same one. So I'll close the geometry part. I'll go to model and double click. I'll go to geometry and click on solid. I'll change the material to aluminum alloy. Then I'll go to mesh and I'll give the sizing as 0.01 meter and generate. You can make more finer mesh. I'll leave it to this itself. I'll go to static structural, right click and insert fixed support. On this side, apply. On this face of the airfoil, I'll right click and insert rotational velocity. I'll change vector to component. Along the Z axis, I'll give the RPM as say 2000 RPM. Then I'll go to solution, right click, insert deformation total. I also want to see the deformation directional along the Y axis. I'll insert strain equivalent. I want to see the stress equivalent. I'll go to fatigue and choose fatigue tool. I'll choose mean stress theory as Goodman theory. I'll right click and insert life. I'll insert damage and also I'll insert safety factor. Then I'll go to solution and solve. We'll see the first result of total deformation. I'll go to contour and choose smooth contours. Edges, I'll choose no wireframe such that the mesh is not seen and I'm just able to see the colors. So this is the total deformation, 0.00258 meters. The value is very small. You can animate and check the result. If you want, you can change this to mm. So it is 2.5 mm. Then we'll see the directional deformation along the y-axis. It is 2.3 mm. That is the maximum value at this end. Minimum value is minus 0.0028. You can click on max and min such that you can see the maximum and minimum value. If you don't want to see them, you can click on it again. If you want to see the values in between, you can just use this probe option and you can click and get that value. You can animate and see the result. This is along the y-axis. Next, we will see the elastic strain. The value is 0.0015, which is the maximum value. Over here, you can see, you can click on max min. You can see minimum is 9.9 10 raised to minus 9, which means the value is very small. Stress is again maximum at this end. 111.64 megapascal. This is the highest value. The minimum value is over here 0.00046 megapascal. Then we'll go to fatigue tool and click on life. You can see the life of this aerofoil will be maximum 1 into 10 raised to 8 over here. Only at this tip you will find it is 4.511 into 10 raised to 6. So it will be lesser as compared to the rest of the aerofoil, which means you can have chances of failure at this end. You can see here damage is highest at this end and minimum at this end. Safety factor, if you click, you can see here this zone is showing maximum factor of safety, that is 10 to 15 actually. And then here this green color is between 5 to 10. Orange color is between 0.74 to 5. And wherever it is red, you can click on max min so that you can see where it is maximum. So that is here, and minimum is here, red color. It is between 0 to 0.7. So this end will show chances of failure. Now suppose if you don't want to have this kind of failure, you can increase the thickness of the aerofoil. You can change the material if you want, and you can increase the strength of the aerofoil. Or you can change the rotational velocity. Maybe we have given more rotational velocity for this aerofoil. So you will have to make this work for a lower velocity. So that's how you analyze the 6-digit aerofoil for static structure analysis. With this, I end the session. I hope you have understood the analysis. If you have any doubt, please write to me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for latest video updates. See you in the next session. Thank you.